Are you embarking on the exciting journey of finding your dream home? Then this video is for you. The process can be exhilarating, challenging, and rewarding. And today we're going to go through the process to get you into your dream home. Hi, my name is Amanda Howard of Sotheby's International Realty. And the 3 tips that I share with you today are going to increase your chances of landing your dream property. First, boost your appeal and demonstrate your seriousness to purchase by obtaining a mortgage pre-approval. This preliminary step not only helps you establish a clear budget, but also showcases your commitment to the seller and the agent that you want representing you. The best agents won't be willing to waste their time with someone who they can't confidently represent as a ready and able buyer. And as well as sellers, they will not allow strangers to enter their home without knowing with confidence this person has submitted the necessary documents needed to a bank and can in fact afford to purchase this property that they put up for sale. Secondly, we must craft a competitive and attractive offer. Collaborating with an experienced real estate agent to create an enticing offer that not only reflects the property's value, but also aligns with current market conditions is key. In a competitive real estate market, making an offer that stands out is vital. Each seller and each home typically requires something a little unique, and that is when an experienced agent really will shine for you. Third is leverage the expertise of a trusted real estate agent. Navigating the complexities of the real estate landscape necessitates expertise, and a seasoned real estate agent can be your greatest ally. Partner with an experienced real estate agent who possesses in-depth knowledge of the local market and proven negotiating skills. Remember, success leaves clues. You will be able to identify rather quickly whether you are working with an experienced or a novice agent. Now let's recap. The 3 tips on buying your dream home. You want to ensure that you're pre-approved, that you've crafted an offer that is enticing to the seller, and make sure that you're working with an experienced agent that you can trust. These personal tips from me and more like them are available on our YouTube channel, so be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. If you're ready to achieve the American dream of home ownership, give my team a call today at 256-799-9000 or visit our website at amandahoward.com. And before you go, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel where I will be sharing more insider real estate tips. Until next time, keep dreaming big, exploring new horizons, and finding that perfect place to call home. I will see you soon.